Here's how to draw a modern building in Procreate. To start off on the right foot, I always recommend to start with sketching. This especially helps if you don't know what to draw or how to draw it. For a modern building, a simple formula to follow is to mash a bunch of 3D shapes such as cubes and rectangular prisms together and find a way it can create a cohesive building within it. Sketching will aid you in visualizing ideas that are stuck in your head in a rather messy way, which is exactly what you want. Think of it as untangling a knot. You will always start out messy, but then as you keep going, you'll have a clearer sense of the outcome. As you see in my sketching process, you will see that after a while I simplify what I drew by outlining in red to make better sense of how it will look as a building. Where from there, I can figure out where new openings are, and within the building I can add features. Sketching is also a great way to think of new ideas that were not originally in your head, so you can make your project way greater than it was before. Next up, we have drawing. So start by clicking on the wrench icon, then tap on the canvas tab. After that, turn on drawing guide, and then tap on edit drawing grid. This will take you to a few different grid options. We want perspective. You'll then need to tap on the canvas to create vanishing points. Once this is done, you'll have the option to turn on assisted drawing, which will create straight lines that follow the perspective grid that you have created. I'll be using it for this video so I don't embarrass myself. There's no shame in having it. It's like turning on bumpers in bowling. Whatever. You're all set now to get drawing, so start with some simple shapes that were done in your sketch, and then you can get as complicated as you like afterwards. You can keep your sketch on a layer for reference, which is what I did multiple times when creating this, but I would hesitate drawing over the sketch because a perspective drawing may look a lot different from the sketch itself. If you're not sure what brush to use, I like to go into the inking section and use the technical pen brush. I like using this brush because it's less sensitive to pressure, which creates more consistent lines throughout the drawing. Also, when it comes to erasing, I recommend turning off this assisted drawing because otherwise you'll have to erase in a straight line, which is especially not helpful, and you'll miss out on the full freedom of erasing on any direction. If you're confused about anything else, I would just recommend following what I do for the rest of the video as a reference, and just start by the largest components of the building and then scale down to the windows and doors and any other objects afterwards. And then after that, just add landscape color and you're set for shading, and that should be about it. Hope you liked the video. I'll be continuing making more Procreate content in the future, so stick around if you like it. Peace.